Yan, nandito tayo guys. So nag-travel tayo. Nag-snow tayo. Snow, dirty. Dirty snow. Maghalo-halo tayo. Guys, halo-halo. Dark sky. Diba? Lamig dito. Oh. Sana all, diba? So yan, may snow. Isang tumpok. May doom. Dreaming big. Cementation drives discovery. Diba? Ano nila? It takes a village. Technician engineers have always been part of the team on Mars Hill, a space for collaboration. Lowell Observatory, Jubel Open Deck Observatory. Kasi yun, may mga snow. The sky is merely the starting point. Lowell Observatory puts Flagstaff on the map of the world. The astronomy arrives in America Wild West. Ayan. Fun fact, first of all, Lowell established this observatory in 1894, just a dozen of years Flagstaff founding, and 18 years before Arizona achieved statehood. Ano yun doon? Close? Do not enter. Restricted area. Ganda ng mga